Today we're going to know how to make running code editing. And what's running code editing? Running code editing is like two different sections on one video, just like it's. You can see this is a hyperlapse or the fast video that been shoot, and this is the slow-mo video. But it's served on one section on one video. And how to make that? I want to tell you how to make that. First thing is, of course, you are record. You can record anything, and for example on this video is record the video of hyperlapse, whatever, and this is the code hyperlapse. It's just like fast video, or if you are using phone, you can find on your phone camera a hyperlapse mode, and you can make your hyperlapse video. It's like this. This is hyperlapse of cloud. See the fast video about cloud that moving. And the second is you record yourself. Whatever, if you want to dance or do anything, and you can do is give a space for sky to appear on your video, just like this. And when everything is done to be recorded, you can go to edit your video. And we can go to editing section, and you can import your own video. And don't forget to use your video editing to make you comfortable, just like a CapCut or KineMaster or anything that you can choose using your phone. And you can see this is the video that been recorded, the time-lapse video. You record it, you import it, and then you can go to the format section here. This is format section. You just click, and don't forget to choose this vertical orientation 9:16. And how to make this tall, you can pinch. You can click on your video and pinch by your two finger, and you can adjust the position of the video. And if you see that your video is not really speed, you can adjust the speed by clicking this layer and go to find speed. And this is the speed tool that you can choose. Just click and click normal, and you can adjust it more faster by choosing any option, just like that. And you can see the differences, more faster than before. It's like that. Okay, and now we can add our second video, that's the dancing video. But we don't import on this section, on this play section, no, but we can add an overlay here. Click overlay, and you can choose your own video. Add overlay, and choose the video, and your video has been imported, and adjust the position too by pinch again. Okay, and if you see your video looks more faster and you can slow it, click the speed here and click normal and make it slowly by click on it to the left and click OK, and you see, okay, and it's enough. And then we can go to the end section of this video and we can split and erase the other part that we don't need. Okay, and how to make the cloud appear here, and the way is just like this. You can go to this overlay section and click on your overlay layer, and you can scroll on the right to find another function, and you can find the mask tool. This is mask tool, just click and you can choose the split mask, you see, click. Okay, and we can configure it by using this. You can make it invert and adjust how we can crop this. And don't forget, you can scroll down this button, this white arrow button. You can just drag to down, swipe just like this to make it more transparent and make it more blend with the background. And this is the result. Can see, you can see on the top of video we can see the hyperlapse, and on the bottom is a slow video as the example. Okay, just like that, the basic how to use, how to make this section, this editing, running cloud editing. And now we can add audio here. You can add your audio on this app, or if you have any audio that you can add to, you can choose the extracted here, and you can find that on your gallery. I want to use on this app, so just add sound here, click the category that you want, I want to add this, and it's the result. And we can crop this part of sound that we don't need. Just click this layer and click split. This is split button and click delete here, and voila, the other part is disappear. And we can add this layer too and click fade out duration. We adjust to make the sound more cool and more blend with the video that we added before. And this is the result. Don't forget, you can click this arrow to make this video save on your gallery. And that's all, my friend, how to make this video. How to make this one include editing. You can explore more by adding some text, adding some animation, just like in animation, out animation, adding sticker, adding other filter or anything. You can be creative to make it more real, more as everything you want. Maybe that's enough video that I can convey to you. I hope it can be useful. See you in the next video.